Gentlemen, I don't want anyone to not get their opportunity to do a summation here. So we're going to give you a brief amount of time, please less than a minute each. Robert Horowitz, we'll start with you for some key takeaways.
The key takeaways are that the tax area, especially with regards to partnerships, audits, and litigation, is going to become more complex, especially since we could have effectively for a number of years 3 audit regimes going on: the individual partner audits, the TEFRA audits, and the Balanced Budget Act partnership audit rules. The IRS is going to be looking more closely and issuing more guidance in the near future concerning how it will treat cryptocurrency, and the government is going to be increasingly aggressive with respect to the FBAR willful penalty. There are currently 35 cases pending in district court where the government is litigating the willfulness penalty.
I thank you very much for that, Robert Horowitz. Bruce DeRosier, a minute for some key takeaways, please.
I would like to also thank everybody for the opportunity to partake today in this event. I would just say that with all of the changes that are coming up, there's going to be a propensity to plan to take the advantage of all of the new tax rules and deductions. The business records that you accumulate while you're making those changes are going to be your best friend when you approach an audit. We'll have to call Teague or Robert to represent you in tax court. So great records, good defense. Thank you.
Thank you, Bruce DeRosier. And finally, Teague Lawrence, some key final thoughts, please.
I guess the final thought that I would say, Sal, is that we're living in a different era right now. It's really an era of data, and as the IRS and other federal agencies become more efficient at processing this data, I think you're going to see sort of I don't want to call it a revolution in the way things are enforced, but certainly it's changing. And we're already seeing that, and I guess that's something that the ways of the past are fading, I think, a little bit.